Hello, my friends. This morning was very simple. Nothing special happened, and yet it felt very peaceful. Have you ever noticed how small routines can feel comforting? The same cup, the same chair, the same quiet moment at the beginning of the day. Today I woke up slowly. The light was soft and pale. The house was still quiet. I walked to the kitchen and prepared my tea. I have done this many times before. Boiling water, waiting, holding the warm cup in my hands. A very small thing, but somehow it feels important. I sat near the window. Outside, the street was calm. A few people walked by. Someone opened a shop nearby. A bicycle passed quietly. Everything felt gentle and familiar. Sometimes we think we need big changes to feel better, but often, small routines are enough. A cup of tea, a quiet chair, a few minutes of silence. These small things tell our mind something very simple. You are safe. You are here. You can slow down. I stayed there for a while, just watching the light move across the table. Nothing exciting happened, and that was exactly what made it beautiful. Small routines don't need to be special. They only need to be yours. So today, I want to ask you something. What small routine brings you comfort? Maybe your morning coffee. Maybe a short walk. Maybe a quiet moment before sleep. Whatever it is, notice it today. Sometimes the smallest moments are the ones that hold us together. Thank you for sharing this quiet moment with me. Until next time, take care.